I know how you used to leave it.
Oh, the bill. Yeah, the bill. I hope this is what I'm thinking, right? You see, the thing is, I forgot my card at home, and
Oh, okay, sir. You can make transfer with your phone.
So trying to find my way around this device,
Sir, what do we do?
Please, pay for this bill. I'll do a transfer right when we leave.
Oh no, I didn't come here with my card.
Okay, Ma, you can make transfer with your phone.
I don't do transfer on my phone for security reasons. It's very private.
I know this is really embarrassing, but I'll just go get my card and I'll be back.
Sorry, sir. You can't leave the table until this bill is sorted.
You know what? I'm just gonna go to the restroom, and when I come back, we'll sort it out.
You can't leave until the bill is sorted.
Oh my goodness, this is crazy.
Sir, we have a policy here. You either clear your bills or you leave your valuables, your phones, your wig, your bags. Or I can print your appointment letter.
Look, I'm so sorry about this embarrassment. I promise you, I will make it up to you.
Let's figure it out.
Yeah, so please can you, give them your bag?
You know, Chris! My bag, you didn't mad. Back where bro, No. I think he's gonna give you his watch. Give them your watch.
I mean, you didn't mad me. Are you stupid?